Here I've got DOOGEE Y7, and let me show you how to change ringtone on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select audio profiles, and here click on the general. Then select edit, and here you will notice call ringtone, so just select it, and let me show you all the ringtones that you can apply, starting with confession. And then just pick the one that you like the most, so let me choose emotional wave. And then click on OK. And the ringtone has been changed, so this is it. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.